This conference will now be recorded.
This video I am discussing about Linux variables. So variable is like a name value pair. So we can see that there is two variables are there in Linux. We have two variables. One is local variable and that is called shell variable. So that is working only in the current shell. So local variable work only in the current shell. Environmental variable that is exported to all process spawned by the shell. So there is two type of variables are there. So we can create a variable. Generally we know x is equal to 5. It is a variable. So you can create it's a name and a value. This is the variable name and this is the value. X is the variable name and y 5 is the value. You can create a variable like this. So now we want to see the value of the variable echo and the $x. So that is the format. So this is the variable name. So I can see the value is equal to 5. So I want to create a color variable. So I am giving color is equal to blue. So generally we will give the variable in the uppercase. So color is equal to blue. We are creating a variable. So we have to give without space. So we can create a variable like this. Color is equal to blue means we are making a color variable. And I want to see this is the variable name and blue is the value. And I want to see the value of color variable. So I'm clearing the screen. So I can see echo dollar color. It will show the value of the color variable. Now we can see all the variable in the system. Set pipe symbol more because we are seeing page wise. So set command will show all the variables in the system. So set means it is showing all the variables. So many variables are there. So if I want to see one by one, we can give set pipe symbol more means it will show the variable name one by one. So this is all variable. Bash is equal to bin bash. Color is equal to blue. That is which I created. And this all are variable. Home directory. This is the variable. History file size. What is the user ID? So there are a lot of variables like this. Host name. So host name is this variable. PWD variable is the prompt variable. So we have all these variables. PWD variable, PS1 variable. Sorry, PS1 variable is showing your prompt. Sorry, PS1 is the prompt variable we are seeing. So I will explain about this. So what is the PWD home directory? So these all are variables. We can create a variable like this, and we can I'm checking this variable. I created this variable. This is a local variable, and I know I want to see the value of the color variable. I can use echo color. I can see the value of this. What I am going to do, I am going to create a script. I am going to create script.sh. So a test file I am creating. What it is extension is sh. So it is called a script file, and inside this I can add all my commands. So every script will start with this shebang sequence. So I created I'm going to create a script. I'm going to create. So I'm going to create va script1.sh. I can give all the commands in this script. So I can give echo welcome. So if I type this echo welcome means it will show the welcome output. It will show echo. I want to echo one variable. So I can give echo dollar host name. So host name variable it will show. So like two commands I have given in this script. So two lines I added here, and I want to make it this file executable. I will give chmod user plus x script one. So I can make this file executable. So I'm making this program executable. Sorry, chmod script one. I'm making this program as executable. So I'm giving a command chmod user plus x script. This web program I'm making it executable. So now I want to run this script. I can give dot script dot slash script one. So this is the way I will run the script. So I'm going to run the script. So we can see it is showing the output. Welcome, echo welcome also it is showing. And what we given in the script, so we can remember when we open this script. So this script having two lines, echo welcome, and this is the value of the variable also it will be showing. So now I want to add one more line. I am adding here, echo dollar color variable. So the color variable I want to see, but this is the variable which we created. It is a local variable I created. So whatever variable I created is called a shell variable or a local variable. So color variable I want to see, but when I do this dollar dot slash script dot sh, so it will be showing only two lines. The color variable it is not showing because it is a local variable. It will not run inside a script or something. So if I want, what I want to do is I can make this variable as a environmental variable. So what I have to do, export the color means I'm making this variable as a environmental variable, export color. So now I created a variable and I exported it, then it becoming environmental variable. I can see all the environmental variable by using env command, env command. So env pipe symbol more, it will show all the variables. So you can see that in the bottom color variable also will show here. So when we check here environmental command, we can go down. So we can see color variable also came here. Now if I am going to run the previous script again, so this script I am going to execute again. So what will happen? It is showing the three output, three lines. So this is echo welcome, and this is the echo dollar host name, echo dollar color also it is showing. So we have to know there is two type of variable, local variable and environmental variable. So now what will happen when I log out now, exit, and I am logging out, and now I am logging again, sudo su hyphen, and now I want to see the color variable, echo dollar color. So this value is not showing now, because when you log out means this variable will go, because the variable is created temporary. So you want to create this variable permanent means you can just add it in a script. So we have some login scripts are there, ls-a. So there is some login script, bash rc or bash profile. Any one of this login script I can add it. So I am going to add it dot bash rc file. I am adding it, and I am going to add a line. I am going to add here. So I am going to add a last line. I am adding color variable. I am going to create color is equal to blue, and I want to export the color variable. Exporting color variable means it will becoming a environmental variable. So I can add it in a single line also. So maybe I want to create a variable. My editor is equal to vi. So my editor variable, I am using editor variable. Editor variable is for example bin vi. So bin vi is the editor variable. So now I can make this variable as environmental variable. At the same time, what I have to do, I have to give the export command means this variable, but this is equal to doing this two lines. So first I will create the local variable, then I will export. Otherwise I can create the variable and exporting at the same time. So this also we can do. So now what will happen? So now if you log out, and I am going to log out now, and I am going to log in again, su sudo su hyphen, or in VMware you can use su hyphen directly, and you log into system. Now we can check the variable name, echo dollar color. So we can see the value it will show now. Color variable is showing. So like I created one editor variable also. So editor variable also we can see the value is showing, because there are a lot of editors are there. Like a vi editor is popular, we have another editor called nano editor is there. We can see another editor is there. I am going to control x and exiting it. So I have another editor called emacs editor is there. This is another text editor. So I can come out by control. So I can come out from here also. I can come out. So if we have some different editors, we can use one of the editor as a default editor. So this all we are making. So what we discussed is there is two different variables. So local variable means I can create a variable by using a command like color is equal to blue. So when I give this command, it will create a local variable. So environmental variable I want to create means I can give export color means then it will becoming the environmental variable. So it will work in a we can see that this was exported to all process spawned by the shell, because even if I running a script also this variable will work. So we have to give everything small case we have to give. So we can create a variable at a single line. So I want to create one variable. So as I told, if I give export editor is equal to bin vi means it will create one a local variable. Also it will export it. So same time it will make a environmental variable also. So if you want permanently you want to make the variable in the home directory, we have to add it in file bash rc or dot bash underscore profile file. We have to add it. There is two files, bash rc and ls-a. It will show this bash rc is also there, bash underscore profile also there. So I can open vi dot bash underscore profile file also, we can add it. So we can see that they are created. We can create the variable exporting path we are creating. So we are creating a path variable and they already exported it. So this all we are doing. So we have two type of variables are there. So thanks for watching.